Peace and welcome back. You are watching Pavitra Path. In the last episode, we learned about kindness and fairness in family matters. Today's the Quran shifts to powerful lessons from history. These verses teach us about fear and courage, trust in Allah, true leadership. These stories are not only about the past, they guide our thinking and behavior today. Let us begin calmly. The Quran often teaches through real events. These verses mention groups of people who faced fear and danger. They show how people react. Some run away from responsibilities, some stand firm with faith. They also introduce a leader who was chosen based on qualities, not status. These lessons apply to every generation. Verse 243. Fear cannot save life. A group of people left their homes to escape fear of death, but death still reached them. Then Allah restored them to life. This teaches running away from responsibility does not remove destiny. Life and death are in Allah's control. Verse 244. Stand for truth. Believers are told to stand firm when needed. Effort for truth requires courage. Allah knows all actions. Nothing is hidden from Him. Verse 245. Giving for a greater cause. Spending in the path of Allah is described as a good loan. Allah promises increase. Generosity is never lost. Giving strengthens both the giver and the community. Verses 246 to 247. Choosing a leader. A group asked for a leader to guide them. Allah chose a leader for them. Some people questioned the choice because of his social status, but Allah explained leadership is based on knowledge and strength, not wealth or lineage. Verses 248 to 249. Test of patience. The leader tested his people. He asked them to show discipline. Many failed the test. Only a few remained patient. Small numbers with strong faith can achieve great results. Verses 250 to 251. Victory through faith. A small group stood firm. They prayed for patience and strength. With Allah's help, they achieved victory. This shows victory does not depend on numbers. It depends on faith and sincerity. Verse 252. Truthful lessons. The Quran confirms that these are true stories. They are given to teach lessons. History is not for entertainment. It is for reflection and growth. Fear cannot change destiny. Courage is required for truth. Leadership depends on ability, not status. Patience is a test of sincerity. Faith brings strength. Face challenges with courage. Trust Allah during uncertainty. Support good causes. Value ability over status. Stay patient even when few support you. These lessons build a strong character. These verses teach that faith requires action. Courage, patience, and trust in Allah lead to success. True leadership is based on knowledge and strength. History guides the present. This was episode 34, Surah Al-Baqarah verses 243 to 252. In the next episode, we will study verses 253 to 260, which explain the status of prophets and the power of Allah over life and death. Stay connected with Pavitra Path. Peace and goodness to you.